Hello guys, how are you? I'm fine. Today we're gonna make this gorgeous ornamental design. Look at this. There are skeletons. Actually, there's one skeleton, I think, but we're gonna make some ornaments in 3D. That's gonna be so cool. You can make, some accessories or, some ornamental architectural things, but so the first thing is 100 like will unlock the next part. Okay, so show me your support and I'm gonna keep working on it. So I need to understand that if you like it or not. So if you like it, just press like it. Let's get started. Okay, so we need a plan. So I think I don't need the skeleton just right now, the skull. So let's start with the ornaments here. How can we do it? Actually, it's so simple, but we need to work with a good topology, okay? And I'm gonna have this image here as plane, and I'm gonna rotate it like this. I think we don't need these grids and floors and X and Y, and we can just change it to emission. If you are using some images like this, you can make it for better lighting. It won't affect from lights here, just like this. Okay, now we need to lock it because we are working on it. Go outliner, but I need to hide myself. Okay, this is the image here, and now we can lock it just like this. Okay, now it's ready to go, and just bring me back. Okay, now it's gonna be easy. I think we can work with Shift A and what are we looking at? Yeah, single word. Add single word here. Where is this? Somewhere here. Okay. It's so simple. It's word. Okay. So tab, select the vertex select here. Now press A. No. E. And extrude just like this. Let me check. Oh, that was the last one. Okay, now it's ready. We're gonna move it here. Let's start with it. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna make some ornament sets, and after that we're gonna prepare this proportional placing and other stuff. Okay, now it's gonna be easy. I don't need to see you, dude. And yeah, go to edit mode, and we're gonna just extrude it. I think you can define the edge counts or vertex count, but I'm just gonna make it a little bit high quality, and that's why I'm gonna make it a little bit more vertices here. We just need to fix topology ourselves. I'm just pressing E, by the way, just extruding. That's a simple operation. Now I can make it like this. No, I don't need you. And you can go here, vertex, and connect vertex path. Oh, it's not working because, it's not connected here as the faces. So press F, but if you are watching me from previous episodes, you need to F2 add-on, okay? Let me show you how you can activate it. Go to Edit, Preferences. Now we have add-ons here. Just write F2. This is built-in add-on here in the Blender, so you can activate it, okay? And you can use it for this, connecting this, or making planes, okay? That's a little bit important for this kind of projects. Now we have the first shape here, and I can fill it just like this. I pressed F and I'm sliding it a little bit up here and everything is fine. By the way, just turn here. Yeah, now I don't need to see it with image. Just change it to cavity. Oh, what's your problem? Oh yeah. We're gonna just change it like this first. And after that, you can hide it, the image from the, from the outliner. But I think I need to make a little bit more details, okay? So let's go here. I have another plan. Oh, it's so bright. Okay, now just hide it like this, okay? We don't want to see it yet. And press tab and edit mode here. I'm gonna use knife, okay, with K. I'm just cutting it from somewhere here. Okay, I'm just also trying to have same amount of vertices here. It's gonna be helpful. And after that, for example, we can have this shape here. After that, like this. Okay, we have, no, we don't have details here. Let me try again. I think I made a mistake. Come on, don't snap there. Okay. And yeah. Oh, there's another one here. We're gonna cut it. Wait a minute. Maybe I can make it a little bit beautiful. Yeah. And now we're gonna cut it again. Yeah, I can finish it there. Yeah, now we have this, and I'm hiding the image from the background, and we can go there. Now I'm gonna use it as reference here. So what we're gonna do here? Now we're gonna make a little bit raising, just like this. Maybe I can leave it there. It's gonna be so simple. You can see the bump here, just like this, and we're gonna make it exactly like this. And for example, we have some, bump here too. Wait. And we're gonna make bump here. And we have another one here. We're gonna do it. Okay. It's getting similar, but we are not there yet. Just make it like this. And what else we have? Oh, it's not cut it here. Let's cut it just right here. Maybe we can go until there. Yeah. Why not? And I'm just gonna raise it a little bit like this. Okay, now we're gonna fix all the vertices here, but before that, let me show it to you. Yeah, we wanna exactly use subdivision surface, but it doesn't work like this. So let's get started for this annoying stuff here. Okay, actually it's not that annoying here, so let me explain. We need quads, okay? For the best topology we need quads. So press J because we have faces right now. J for this connect vertex path. Okay, I'm just making quads here with these vertices here. Okay, so you're gonna see that you're gonna see the difference. By the way, I'm merging this. Go here, merge at last. My shortcut is Shift T, and I'm merging this. By the way, you can see my actions here most of the time. You don't need to have screencast, okay? Please don't ask for it because I'm using tons of custom shortcuts. And now look at this. We have quad here, okay? And I can add some loop cut here. We need to be available for everywhere with the loop cuts. That's the basic principle. It means that we need to cut it exactly like this. Okay, look at this. Now we can go there. It means that there are still problems. I think you can guess it. This is the problematic area. It's triangle and it can't keep going. So what can we do for fixing this? For example, I can merge this. Yeah. And we can just slide it with G. I'm moving it and press G. I'm just sliding it. And also we have a couple of different options, but right now I will make it start just somewhere here, okay? Like this. Slide it. Yeah, you go there. Now look at this. We can add edge loops here. Let's try subdivision surface again. Did you see that? It's getting better and without problems because we are fixing loops, okay? So as long as you fix the problems on the topology, you can achieve exactly the same shapes here like this. That's what we're gonna do in this series here. You can turn off this and keep working on it. So there will be bump, but we want to have it sharp. Okay, just like this. So I can't make it like this because in some point we're gonna deal with triangles. Okay, so let's have a plan. I think I can make it just like this. Connect this and go there. By the way, try to feel the natural feeling of the object. Okay, so when you are knifing, don't knife like this. Okay, there's a flow here. Can you feel it? It's supposed to be like this. So if you care about this kind of stuff, your topology will be so clean and it's gonna look perfect. I mean like this, okay? It should go like this. Go to the right now, to down here. That's what I mean. Let's keep knifing it and see the results, okay? Yeah, let's check it out. Everything looks fine. You can try to turn on the subdivision here. Did you get it? It's getting interesting. Now, we're gonna keep making it exactly like this. Also, you can check edge loops here with Control R. Look at this. So as I said before, I can keep it here because yeah, I want to have it like this. Actually, it's gonna be so sharp here, and if I make it quad here, it's not gonna look sharp as I want here. But let me give you another advice. So if you insist to fix it, press N, pull it to the left, most left here. Okay, clip start to the left, and you can make it 5,000. Now, if you insist to fix it, okay, maybe you say that, no, I want to fix it. There's a way here. Now it's time to show it. Knife it, okay, just knife like this. Select this edge here, press X, dissolve edge. Look at this, now it's quad. So yeah, that was the solution. Okay, so you don't need to have triangles. You can make a good plan and you can turn it to quads here. Look at this, it's like overlapping quad, but it's quad. Okay, and Blender can understand you and add here just like this. Okay, so what does this mean? And for example, if you have turning points, you have corners, you can just make it like triangle, and you can keep that in your mind that yeah, I can do it as quad. I can convert it. Just do this trick and everything will be fine. Now turn on this again. Okay, look at this. Look at this curve here. Okay, everything looks fine here. You're gonna increase that, of course. There's no problem here. Look at this. We have a perfect curve here. Okay, I think, yeah, look at this. It's a little bit problematic, and turn off this and let's check the reason. Yeah, we need to fix these areas here. By the way, is it overlapping here? Oh no. If you see some problems and if you are not happy, just move it like this. Okay, look at this. The shadow changes a little bit, and look at this. Okay, that's how you can edit your object here. But of course, we need to fix all the areas. Okay, that's how we're gonna do it, guys. It's getting better. Now you know what to do. Press K for knife and knife this. You can see that it's already fixing itself with the shadow, and it means that you are on the right track. Now we're gonna move it and slide with G. Okay, look at this yellow line here. We are sliding it there and knife it here. Because remember, I said that just try to have it in the natural flow. So for example, it's not in the natural flow. Look at this. Is it looking natural to you? Of course not. So I'm sliding it to make it more beautiful. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay. Now it's getting better. Look at this. You can also fix it. That's what I mean, okay? You can fix it just like this, and it feels natural. And if you turn on this, you're gonna have so good curves here. Now we can keep moving. And yeah, what is this? We have this, now let me check it out. I'm gonna knife it here, and no, yeah, here. Did you see that? It's automatically fixing itself because we are making things correct. Look at this. There's there's a problematic area. No problem. Problems are no problems in this channel. So just I want to raise it a little bit more, okay? That's what I want here. And let's check this out. I'm gonna knife it here. Knife. So it's gonna be a little bit tricky. You just wanna have some shapes like this, okay? I mean that, remember the natural flow here. For example, like this. For example, like this. And here, and here. Yeah, it's triangle, I know that, but I'm gonna go there. So I need to have quad here. Look at this, we don't have quad just right now. Maybe we can make a turn point like this. Okay, it's quad, but it's not keep going here. So what can we do? Maybe I can add some vertex here with Control R, the edge loop here. Now it's not going, but I can see yellow dot here, and I press that. Look at this, we have curve here. No, we have vertex here. Now it's quad, okay? Look at this, what we have. So I'm just sliding it. I'm just gonna move it somewhere here because it's gonna turn like this. All right, and can you see that? That's what we need here. The flow should be like this. Okay, yeah, it's a little bit interesting right now because I think we need to merge it somewhere here. Okay, it should be here. Shift T, my merging, and look at this, it can go like this, and you can slide a little bit here, and we have quad here. Exactly. Did you see that? That's the secret of this whole operation. All right, look at this shape. Yeah, we are on the right track. Yeah, that's what I mean. So if you have this kind of shape, let me show another trick for you. As you can see, there are some sharp lines here. So maybe you can have edge loops here. And look at these. And we have ornaments here with the sharp edges. That's how we do it. But I can show you another, little bit custom way. And I'm gonna select a couple of them here because maybe I want to make it softer at the end. I don't want to have it full sharp. Press right mouse here, go mark sharp. Look at this. That's another way you can have sharp. Yeah, you need to fix something like this yourself, but did you see that? It's getting softer. You can even make it a little bit customization with yourself with manual way, just like this, for example. Did you see that? It's sharp here and it's getting softer. That's another way, but I'm not sure yet, and I'm not gonna touch anything here. Okay, that's for the next parts. Yep. Okay, turn off and keep working. Now, I hope you understood the turning points. It's a little bit tricky when it comes to making topologies and retopology. Just try to keep the quads here just like that, but you don't want to have like these faces, okay? So that's why we need to convert it to quad here, and it's gonna turn like this as quads here. I can draw it for you with the pen here. So we have quad here. Can you guess the next face here? Do you want me to wait? Oh, by the way, did you like it? Did you like the video, please? 100 like will open unlike the next part. If you keep watching it, Just need to press like. Okay, now the answer is this. By the way, I can change the color. Yeah. Now we need to have some quad here. This is quad. Okay. We need to have a quad just like this. It's like turning point. So let's imagine that here. You can make a plan with this pen here. Just try to understand the surface here and you can just find a good solution yourself. For example, this is not a good way. Okay? It's not a good way to turn it like this. You know, you want to have, just let me delete it. Delete. We need to have something like this, right? So that's why we need to slide it here and we're gonna make it just like this, and maybe we can have it somewhere here. We're gonna see that. And after that, we need to have some quads for the turning points. Look at this. We have a point here like this, and it should be something like that. Okay, tick, 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 tick. That's what I'm saying as natural flow of the shapes here. Okay, topology is something like that. Can you feel it? The flow here. So if you understand that well, you can make it anything correctly. And yeah, let's delete and keep working. All right, now we fixed it and let's keep making it easily. We're just gonna make it manually. Look at this. There's no face and edges at all. We are alone here. So it's gonna be a little bit risky, but if you trust yourself, you can believe in yourself. Just fix the heightness of the new word is here yourself. Okay, you can make it. I think I believe you. Yeah, even if you are beginner, you can make it. Remember the flow for the natural topology. Yeah, it's also coming with us with the sharp here, and yeah, it should be here. And yeah, why not? I can connect it with here. Okay, now we're gonna check it out. So we have another situation here, but hey, okay. Now I don't want to try to, make it in the same line here, same height. So go here, turn it to vertex and slide it on the z-axis just like that, and hold control and roll over here. Okay, if your mouse hover here, look at this, it's snapping. That's it. You can snap anywhere like this, in the x-axis, in the z-axis. Okay, just turn it to vertex and hold control. That's it. Look at this. Now I'm gonna snap it. Yeah, you got it. You can just, oh no, we are not there yet. We just need to fix everything here. So here, yeah, I think we can have, I'm still trying to feel the flow here. Okay, so even if we finish this line, it should be something like this. Okay, it should go like this, and yeah, exactly. This is the shape we want here. Maybe I can slide it somewhere here. You got it? Because, I'm trying to achieve this line here. If it's looking fine, it's fine for me. But yeah, it's kind of fine. But if you ask me, I can make it a little bit more better. I think that's the natural feel. It should go like this. Okay, this is the first step here. And after that, we're gonna have situation just right here, which is, yeah, I'm gonna go there. And let's raise this a little bit more. Okay. Now we need quad here. I think I'm gonna go there. Maybe we can squeeze it a little bit more here, and it's gonna make it sharp. But at the same time, I need to push these people here to have some space for it. Okay, now we can go exactly right here. You can consider it like drawing with pen, just we did before. You can knife it and fix it. Okay, now we have this shape here. Also, I exactly want to have it go there. Okay. I don't know. That's how I feel here. So we have a good curve. You can add loops here, and there, as long as you fix it. Look at this. Now we have what we have here. Yeah, we have triangles. Okay, so how can we make it quad? That's so simple. Now we have quad and quad here. That's it. Look at this. It's going all the way, just like here. But you know what? Yeah, I can complain, but yeah. Guys, if you ask me, I just need to... I'm feeling like it should go like this. It's a turning point, okay? So let's figure out for this new shape here. Yeah, if I merge it here, I can have some, triangles, because, it's a little bit connection point, or you can fix it to quad. We're gonna see that. And yeah, we have the loop here going here. It goes here and here. I think we can slide it here and slide it somewhere here. Just try to catch this shape, okay? That's so simple, guys. If you have some curve here, just try to have this feeling, okay? This edge type here, and you can find a way to for the middle part. Yeah, you can find that. For example, let's try to reduce the edges here. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's problem. But also maybe I can merge or make a new area here. I'm happy with this shape. So what if I delete this one and connect it with it and slide it like this? What you think? And keep the flow, as I said, always, constantly. Just slide it here. Now that's the perfect shape, okay? So as long as you have this kind of shapes here, okay? Look at this. We have actually 3 main lines here. This is the right outline here. This is the inner part here, and it's the middle part here. Okay, you can just think like that, and it goes until there. So I can have edge loops here and edge loops here. Look at this. it's kind of thickness here. So another interesting fact is I can use them as the sharpness. Okay, we don't need that much loops here. We can just use it as a little bit more sharpness until there. So let's turn it out. Look at this. I'm selecting the loop with Shift, Alt, and left mouse. So I'm selecting loop and sliding. Did you see that? Now it's completely sharp here. Yeah, that's how you can make ornaments. Okay, hey, go back. Go back. All right. Now that's the middle part, as I said, and this is the inner lines here. This area, I can choose it for you. Just keep this shape. Just keep this shape. Okay. Now, what's next? Yeah, it can goes there, but I feel like, it can stay like this. In that case, we need to move it a little bit here. And yeah, I think you saw that. It's not looking that kind of natural flow. Also, you can make it even by adding loops here, but don't forget that you're gonna have next couple of problems, new problems here. You can make it, even just like that. And as you can see, now we have a triangle here. So now there's interesting fact here. I think you can try to turn it to quad just like that. Okay, yeah, you made it a quad here, but look at this. Now you have completely new area here with the new edge line, with the edge loops. Okay, press J to join this. Okay, so every time you try to convert a triangle to quad, you're gonna have completely new loops. Don't forget that. So what I mean, let's try to convert it to quad here. Yeah, you're gonna do it like this, right? Sure. But look at this. Now we need an edge loop here. And even if you are keeping it, you need to keep the edge loop here. Look at this. Now, in that case, you need to join this. And now you have completely loops here. That's like it, okay? Don't forget that. So converting a triangle is not enough itself. You always need to add new whole loops. Make it raise again a little bit here. Yeah, you can snap it, as I said before. Yeah, did you see? You know what? Messing with the topology, the loops, the cuts, maybe it can look like a little bit nightmare. I was feeling like that at the beginning of my career for Blender. It was so horrible to fix. Oh, how can I fix it? I was feeling so nervous and something like that. But if you learn it in the correct way, you can just retopology everything, make it perfect models, maybe more complex models. You just need to learn principle of this fixing and calculating the phases. Okay, somewhere will be quads, you're gonna need some triangles at some middle points maybe, but we're just fixing it. We just it's like sewing, and it's like it's crafting. We can consider ourselves as craftsmen, and we are polishing it, we are making beautiful with the smooth faces. We are digital craftsmen, maybe. Look at this. Okay. And once I finish this, I'm gonna add edge loops and make it sharper, exactly like the reference image. We're gonna make it look like this. And I have a good news for you. Once we finish this, we can use it for somewhere else here, for example, some places. So it's gonna be faster when I finish just some example. Okay, for example, if I model this part, there's nothing else to do here. Just duplicate it and make this pattern here. And we're gonna mirror this the right side and to the left side. And look at this. What else? What else we can model here as difficult? There's no difficult when you learn the principle, and I think you can feel the flow here. Let me show some explanation for the last words. Okay, you can make some practice with the notation. Go back. Okay, that's the last words for this episode here. You can just try to feel, or you can make some practice before you start modeling. Okay, so we have, just have square, or wait, maybe you can have a triangle here because it's gonna be softer. Okay, now you can feel it. We're gonna have some faces like this. It goes like this, up and down here, and the middle part. Yeah, that's it. Okay, for example, we're gonna have some lines here, and we can connect it here and here. So it's triangle. We're gonna solve it, and for example, we can make it like this. Okay, now it's quad here right now, and there's triangle in the middle. We can stuck it in the middle, so it's harmless with that way. Oh, okay. That was it for the first chapter. Remember, if you press likes, and if this video can have 100 like, the next chapter will be unlocked. Okay, so I will keep working on it, and to be honest, I just need to understand that if you like this series or not. That's all. I just need your support. I just need to see your support. That's why please press like. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching and your support. Bye bye.